Tariki ni 29 turorete gutiriha mweri wa mugira jarane Ijumaa ya mwisho ya mweri uyu mutwathi na njira shiko etagwo Vivian wa Gashina ni njitagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru gunyite uganithini wa Kiheo Kabiru Wikendi ni ngatho cia mwanya ni gutoshesheni no hurani ni maingi tukuhandiririe na gitio kinene njitikiria twambiririe na ripoti igimaine na Ebola. Mutongore wa kiama kia PLP Martha Karua na uria wari mubunge mutumia wa Kirinyaga niwe wa Goigirishi ni matugirite itua ria igoti ria kugiria thirikari kwambiriria uteithiriria ona kana gwitikiria ceceni ya Ebola guku bururi-ini iria kuragituika irafatie gukorwo iri kuria kaunti-ini ya Laikipia. Karua augite ni wega thirikari kwamba kugacirithia motungata maugima wa mwiri kuri a Kenya, akiuga sekta ino ni igumirwo ni mathina maingi maria marabatara kihonia.
The High Court has issued an injunction against the government establishing an Ebola quarantine center here in Kenya for the Americans. It is astonishing that William Ruto and his administration can listen to America saying that they do not want any infected person because their policy is to protect Americans first. How dare them entertain the idea that they can bring Ebola affected people to Kenya to protect America but endanger the Kenyan population, when he swore by the Bible that he will obey the Constitution, which commands him to take the best interests of Kenyans into consideration before any decision. We thank the court, but I'm telling Kenyans, we are on our own.
About it, the next thing we hear that we are going to be having quarantining people who've got Ebola. I want to say clearly and categorically that in Kenya we have the right. One thing that I'm sure is that we did not onboard anything about quarantining people from other countries in our country so that we can endanger our own medics, endanger our own people to getting diseases. So we want to say, Americans, have your people taken to America if you do not want them to be they've been infected with Ebola. You either fly them to America or you fly them to another country. But I want to stand with the Kenyans who are saying, we are saying no to quarantining in Kenya because our country, we are people who want to keep our health and want to keep safe.
Na kio kiama kia ODM nigitanyitwo wikendi no gutafania kampeni nene iria mamihete ritwa Kisumu Wairimu kuria makungura thiini wa kaunti ithano iria iri kuria Nyanza ni hamwe na Githumo na Homa Bay, na ningi kuringana na gavana wa Migori Ochilo Ayako akiugite kampeni no ikureria ya thayo na itanya ni kurehe hamwe arumiriri a kiama giki.
We will be coming from Kisumu, from Migori, from Homa Bay, from Kisii, from Siaya, and all of us will converge in Kisumu. We want to promise that this rally will be a peaceful rally, it will be a productive rally, and it will be a rally that will show the beauty and the robustness of ODM as a party. Our agenda is that a united and structured ODM is good for the nation. An ODM that has the people at heart. An ODM that is robust in its management, it's good for democracy. Governance of a nation begins with governance of a party. Deliverables in a nation, deliverables by leaders, starts with how the parties prepare for the elections, the agenda that they give to the people, the coalitions that they form among themselves. Those are the fundamentals of running a nation. I want to conclude that by saying that ODM is a party that is not driven by hate for any individual. We did not form ourselves into ODM to show dislike for any person, any grouping or any people who are obsessed with hating an individual, be that person the president of Kenya, be that person a particular political formation, has no space or room in ODM. ODM will engage in dialogue, will engage in discussions with all like-minded political formations, starting with our current associates and partners, the UDA party, under the broad-based arrangement.
We intend to update our people on the progress made within this broad-based government, particularly on the people-centered issues, the issues that matter to them, the issues that ODM has stood for all these years, issues around devolution, issues around the infrastructure in this region, issues around agriculture and the things that matter to them, but also some of the key issues in the 10-point agenda, including compensation, because this region has borne a lot of brunt of post-election violence and chaos, and we will be updating our people also on the progress made on matters of compensation to this extent.
Tugitigana icio ruhonge rwa kurana ungumania EACC ne rukoretwo rukimurika kaunti ya Siaya na kure ruri hakwi kurikiriria uthuthuria wayo wa ungumania wa makiri kana wa mabilioni ma mbeca na ungumania watafanirio makiria mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2022 na kurigana na murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa EACC kure mwena wa Githumo Abraham Keboi akiugite ungumania yo ni wa milioni ma mbeca na ho kana nige kuri na uhuthiri moru wa wofishi na nige wishi wa mbeca cia muigi.
I want to say that the Commission, EACC, apart from this FLOCA program, is engaged with other activities pursuant to its mandate within Siaya. We are investigating so many cases within Siaya. You are aware of the case of regular recruitments. It is coming to a conclusion for those who come from this county. You are aware of theft of so many resources, so much resources within the treasury of Siaya itself. We are working on them. The Commission is filing so many cases in court. We've started filing recovery cases here in Siaya County. The Siaya High Court. We have active cases for recovery of monies that was unlawfully taken away from the citizens of Siaya. We do so knowing very well that the motivation of our officers engaging in corruption is for a personal benefit. So if we know that you are stealing from the county government to benefit yourself and you are putting up a structure somewhere, so we come to the tail end of your operation and we take away that which you set to achieve, which is our resource. It's a public resource. We take away the money. Apart from taking away the money and all the other assets that could be considered as proceeds of corruption, working with the state prosecutor, we sanction you criminally. So we put you before court, you will be sent to jail. Then we also take away that which we believe you unlawfully acquired.
Na ripoti yo igebaine na ungumania gatwekanya uko tugikiria oro hanini nituko tugicokeria ndugetikire gugifushia.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Mwangaza wa FM. Shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire. O muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire mwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Tanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kia thaa 5 cia utuku ukanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa mũingĩ. Urutani witũ wa utereva ni wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na Smart Drive License. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera wabici-inĩ citũ Rwesambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Irikana ni o muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ nginya thaa 5 cia utuku. Wanake wakunduka yo tondũ cia wone nyingi etiendaga kaga ya moyo. Ũirĩtu wakunduka yo tondũ cia wone nyingi etiendaga kaga ya moyo.
Are you ready? Because it's games time. Nĩ hĩndĩ ya mathako. Timu yaku ĩrĩa wendete mũno nĩ ĩrĩkũ? Cemanagia na athaki arĩa ngũthi na arĩa marĩ iheo. Ukireherwo ni Uncle G na Esther Shiko athaki orua akiri ndumo ya iharo-ini tabarira Jerushua ĩrĩa ũrĩiguaga maũndũ onawe ũgakena. Nyitanagira na ithuĩ o mũthenya wa Jumamothi thaa 7 nginyagia thaa 9 thĩinĩ wa tabarira ya ndumo ya iharo-ini gũkũ gwa Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkio.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ twarĩkia gũgĩcokereria oro rĩngĩ mũingĩ ũrĩa wĩikaraga Thamburu ya irathĩro nĩ mamũkĩrĩte taito cia mũgũnda. Nĩ akĩaria hĩndĩ ya ũheani wa taito ici, minista wa mĩgũnda Alice Wahome akiugĩte ĩno nĩ ta cabi ya kũhingũra ũkũria mwena ũyũ, kũrĩa orĩtie mũingĩ kũrũmia thayũ na kwaga kũhĩmbĩria mbara gatagatĩ ka ndũrĩrĩ itiganĩte.
Tunasema kabla hatujaimvote tunaona kuna nini kwa store ya local farmers. Ndio tumesema hii store yenu nimesikia tu ni 2000 metric tons. Tunataka kusanya kumalizana na nyinyi mapema, muende kwa shamba utusalishe zingine, tukuje tusanye yote, uende tena kwa shamba mpaka useme hakuna kuimport tena. na tuwe na mpango mzuri kuendelea mbele. Ninataka kujulisha nyinyi ya kwamba tutalainisha collaboration between farmers of rice and National Cereals and Produce Board, farmers of rice and GNDC, ili mkulima asiteseke. Na kama kuna mkora katikati yenye anaongea Kisungu yenye atuelewi, tukutane mondo kwa mondo mpaka mkulima apate haki yake. Unaelewa wakulima? Si ndivyo? Hii story mingi tunaona kwa news, kuna rice huko Mwea tunajaribu kushika, hakuna mtu analete. Kwani iko kwa store ya nani? Unajua kuna ukweli uniambii. Nasema nataka rice ulete. Unasema hakuna. Unasema import, nasema iko rice. Nasema lete, nasema hakuna. Sasa lazima kuna mtu hapa katikati ya mkulima na serikali. Na hiyo mtu ndiye anaharibu maneno. Atuambie huyo mtu yuko katikati ni nani? Nikisema kesho peleka rice yako LCPP na wanangojea. Hata leo niliongea na MD akasema niko na pesa. So I wish I get the right people who are representing farmers. Cooperative, I hope they are truthful people. Let them come to Nairobi. Kesho tukutane mondo kwa mondo. Kwa bodu tutatue shida ya rice ya Mwea yenye iko hakuna. Kesho tutajua ukweli na utume mtu mwenye anakuja kusema ukweli, sio mkora. Ndio tukisema tunataka saa hii anakuja kumoka.
Na rĩu tũmũrĩke ciĩgimaine na nyũmba cia raithi kũrĩa imenti. Thirikari nĩ ĩrugũrĩtie waki wa nyũmba cia raithi mwena wa Kagũrũ imenti ya mũhuro, na waki ũyũ ũtanyĩtwo kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 18 na ũgwakwo mũgũnda-inĩ wa ĩka 2 na nyũmba 364 nĩ citanyĩtwo gũtuĩka wĩikaro kũrĩ mũingĩ, na mũingĩ wa mwena ningĩ nĩ ũtanyĩtwo kũgunĩka na mawĩra kumana harĩ tabarĩra ĩno, na makĩria arĩa mekĩte kothi cia moko.
Thank you. Hizo ESP mnasikia tumepata inatoka tu kwa State Department moja ya housing. Sasa hapa Ngobo tumepata nini? Affordable housing. Si ni kweli? Hii ni bilioni 1 imeanguka hapa. Simpigia mheshimiwa makofi.
Leo tuko hapa Nkubu, Imenti South, tukiwa tunazidua mradi wa affordable housing hapa kwa hii constituency. Abako today we were launching 364 units as affordable housing abazo kadarasi contractor ameletwa site officially. We have a company by name Farmbridge. Hii contract itagharimu serikali ya Kenya 978 million Kenya shillings, and we expect the project itakuwa kwa muda wa miezi 18,
kwa sababu community through the leaders, the MP, the MCAs wa hapa South Imenti. Wakati nilipigiwa simu last year nikaambiwa kwamba niweze kuhakikishia serikali kwamba kuna shamba ambayo idadi kama ekali 2 ambayo inaweza jengwa hizi nyumba za affordable housing. Na leo nafurahi sana kwa sababu kwa niaba ya serikali kuu niko na officers hapa kutoka Department of Housing ambayo ndio ina implement affordable housing, which is one of the better projects that President William Samoei Ruto. Na leo tumeweza kupatiana site pamoja na viongozi wa South Imenti. Wakati tu contractor ataingia kwa site akitangaza kuajiri vijana muweze kujitolea, wamama wale wa soko na wengine wale wako nyumbani, wale ambao hawana kazi wa biashara dogo pia tujitolee.
Tunataka in the next 18 months we come here, president yakuja mwenyewe afungue, lakini before that deputy president atakuja, mheshimiwa MP atakuja, tuhakikishe kwamba kazi inafanyika haraka. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio kazi tuko nayo. Wandozi wako hapa wa housing, wana Mwangi, nimemuona Maua, nimemuona Nanyuki, nimemuona kona nyingi za Kenya, hata Mbant Forest nimewaona huko. Lakini ilikuwa nashindwa kwa nini hatujafika hapa South Imenti.
Sababu leo tuko hapa kupokea ile ahadi tumekuwa tukipewa ya affordable housing. Tumeona director hapa ameleta contractor na community tumepeana ile uwanja ya kujengwa affordable housing, ambapo tumeelezwa zitakuwa unit 364. Kwa hivyo sisi tumefurahi, na yetu tunasema hii affordable housing itafanya ile inaitwa economy boost.
Thank you so much bwana contractor.
Nĩ ngatho ho nĩho tũgũkorwo tũgĩkĩrĩra gaturumo mohoro maitũ ma Kiheo Kabiru Wikendi. Ngatho nĩ ũnyitanĩri waku gũtũcagũrĩra na arĩa matigĩrĩra mohoro maya nĩ maukire na njĩra igwete. Mũtwathĩi na njĩra ya ciĩko ũmanyarĩri gwĩtwo Vivian Wangaci njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru araika mwe na Ngai maroko gĩtĩro ũtukũ wa ũmũthĩ nĩ ngwendete onake Ngai aikwenda ona makĩria gĩa na wĩroreri mwega.